So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can learn linked list concepts with visualization for easy learning. Now, in order to do it, you don't need to pay anything or download any software. Just simply open any of the browser over any device you have, and here you have to search for Visual go.net. You can see the right URL over there. Just simply go to this URL and wait for the site to respond. Once it gets open, when you scroll down, you're gonna find this option which says linked list. Just simply tap on this option, and once it gets open, here you're gonna find multiple options available for you, multiple concepts about linked list that you can learn for free. The creation, the searching, the insertion, the removal, and multiple properties like stack queue and DQ, and you can learn all of them for free with visualization. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.